So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will gonna learn about what is an app in Salesforce. So let's understand this within a simple example. So let's think of your mobile phone. You have different apps like WhatsApp, YouTube, Gmail and Instagram in your mobile phone. Obviously. So each app contains different features related to a specific purpose. So Salesforce works in a similar way. An app is simply a collection of related tabs that are grouped together for a particular business process. For example, like we have sales team. Sales team does not need HR related tabs, and an HR team does not need sales related tabs. So Salesforce allow us to create different apps for different departments. Like in simple words, an app is a collection of related tabs designated for a specific group of users. Let me show you in my org. So you can see this is my org now, and I have multiple tabs here. But if I'm talking about an app, this sales is an app. Okay, this sales cloud is an app. So if I'm going here, I have multiple apps here. So I have sales app, I have experience. So I have experience cloud. You can see digital experience app. Okay, then I have also service cloud, which is also a service app, and I have service console. I have my service journey. I have different apps in my Salesforce. Okay, you can see the apps label here. So I have multiple apps in my Salesforce. That is clear. So I have an org. In my org, I have multiple apps in my app launcher. I can open any app, and in every app, I have multiple tabs. In my Sales Cloud, I have these tabs. In my other application, I might have some other tabs. Let me open my Service Cloud here. This is my other app, and here you can see I have different tabs. It is my choice to let different tabs in the different tabs. So similarly, if I open a different app, then I might see some different tabs in that. That is an app. Okay. So now let's talk about standard apps versus custom apps. Okay. Salesforce provide two types of apps. We have standard apps. They are already available in Salesforce, which we have, like you have already seen, sales app, service app. We have marketing, we have analytics, we have digital experience. We have multiple standard apps. Okay. These apps come with Salesforce and are ready to use already. But we also have some custom apps. Sometimes businesses need their own applications, obviously. For example, if we are building a student management system, we can create a student management app. And inside this app, we can add tabs like student, courses, teachers, attendance, these types of apps. Okay, this keeps everything organized in one place. Okay, let me show you by creating a custom app here. So this is my org. I have opened my org now. So first, let me go to the setup here. So here in the quick find, I will search for app manager. So in the app manager, let me open the app manager first. Here you can see I have two options here, new lightning app and new external client app. And here is a list of apps I have in my Salesforce org. So if I want to create a new custom app, I just need to click on this new lightning app button. So after clicking on this lightning app button, I need to give a name for my app. So let me give a name of Sachin app. Okay, and here the API name is already auto populated. So I can also upload an image here if I want to. For now I am not putting any image here, and I can also choose the color of it. Let me go to this color. Okay, I think it is not selected. Let me click on done first. Okay, now the color has been changed, and there are some other options. Use the app's image and color instead of or custom theme. Okay, if I am not selecting an image, then my app will look like this. So let me click on next, and here I have some options of standard navigation and console navigation. You can just leave it as it is for now. We will talk about this later. And there are supported form factors, like if you want only this to support on desktop, if you only want it to support on phone, you can just choose that. I am leaving it as it is on desktop and phone both. So leave the setup experience also as it is, and also leave the other settings as it is, and click on next. And here you can also add an utility item if you want. The utility items are what you see in the bottom. Here you can see the example in the bottoms. You can add also an utility item, but for now I am not adding any. Let's click on next. And here you can select your tabs. Here now you have created a custom app. Now you want to have some tabs in your application. Whatever tabs you want, it's your choice. So for now I am putting accounts here, and I also want to put students. So this is my student custom object. I'm putting this one too here, and let me add context too. Okay, here I have added the contact too. So I think three is enough. So let me click on next, and here I need to select to which profiles I want my app to be visible. So for now I am selecting system administrator here, this one, because I am a system administrator. Okay, and also I will select for standard user. So if I create a new user of standard user profile, then they will also be able to see my app. So for now I am selecting only these two profiles, and let me click on save and finish. And now my app has been created. So let me just go back to my home page and let me hard refresh it. Okay, I have hard refresh it. If you are thinking how I am doing this hard refresh, then it is an extension which is called clear cache. You can just add this by Chrome extension. Okay, you can also just refresh the page too. Okay, this might also work. Now I want to search my app, my custom app which I have created. So let me go to the app launcher, and now here I will search for Sachin. So you can see there is a Sachin app in the apps now. So that's the app I have created just now. So let me open it. So you can see there is only three tabs here, three objects here, which I have selected while creating this custom app. So that's how you can create your own custom app in the Salesforce, and you can select your tabs on your own, which tabs you want to show in your own custom app in Salesforce org. So I hope you understood the custom app and standard apps in this video. And in the next video, we will learn about page layouts and understood how we can control what users see on a record page. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.